All right, I have a trade recap. I know I haven't posted in a while. The reason is because I was on vacation, had my laptop. It just simply it wasn't letting me upload. I have no idea why. I did lose a lot, but I wasn't hiding it. I post everything on my channel. If you were to check it, I lose all the time. I post it. It had nothing to do with that. I couldn't upload it. And it's definitely annoying, but I just had to ignore it. So I'll just do a little trade recap today. Been on a really bad losing streak. Um, just been in a really, really tough spot mentally these past few weeks, 2 weeks, I guess, or honestly, just past week. Really bad, bro. Feels like my whole life is just like falling apart, bro. This is the 150K eval that I'm taking. It's just been really tough. I really don't want to be posting, but I have to keep posting. I appreciate those of you guys who support me. I really do, really, really appreciate that. It brightens my day. So I appreciate those of you guys who watch my videos. I only have a couple of subscribers, but I still appreciate you guys. So I've just really been all negative, like so negative. I don't even know why. Like it's just so bad. Okay, coming into the day, we had, obviously, right, order flow. We're in a market maker sell model on the bigger time frame. It's just very clear. There's no reason to fight this. We're bearish, right? It's just kind of simple. I'm trying to find this damn fucking thing. So, all right, bro. Is this thing not going to work? Hold on. I'm trying to figure this out. Okay. So, right, we're in this market maker sell model right here. If you don't know what that is, do some research. It's pretty simple. If I'm being honest, it's a simple way for saying downtrend. I don't know why people even use the word market maker sell model. They just like to sound smarter, but it's just a downtrend. I guess it's a little bit different. It's more of like when it looks something like, I'm not going to get into it right now, but it's just a little bit different, but it's pretty much a downtrend. So there's no reason to fight that. Coming into the day, we have just this big 4-hour bearish for value gap. We feel that obviously that's going to drive price lower, especially, after just completely running through this daily for value gap. It's very bearish. So no reason to fight that. And then we have London lows right here, which is my main draw on liquidity for the day. And then we had previous day lows right here. Another good draw on liquidity. As you can see, price dumped to those lows. So coming into the day, what I saw, pretty simple, okay? On ES, we have same, levels of liquidity, this low and this low. And I wanted to see, I had an alert set on my phone to see if this 15-minute fair value gap would get tapped. So I had class at 9:30 until 10:15, and I set this alert, and I checked on my watch. It hit. Okay, it hit at 9:33. It hit, or 9:30 on the dot. It tapped this 15-minute. I got the notification, and I'm like, okay, well, it's probably going to take a couple minutes for this to actually set something up. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom in probably 2-3 minutes, right? So this is immediately how you start this is how I started my day, right? So I got there, and I got there right here. This is where, right here, okay? So this is what just me the hell off, because the one time that I would have finally broken the losing streak, it just didn't fucking play out, right? We had this 1-minute bullish for value gap. This would have 100% been my entry, no doubt in my mind. Stop loss would have been right here at this body, and then I would have taken profit, probably just these lows. Or maybe I would have held a runner to these lows, right? Uh, but I saw this and I was extremely frustrated because I knew exactly what was going to happen. But because my school, right, I couldn't execute. So immediately I'm pretty mad. I mean, I'm getting better at controlling this type of stuff, but I'm mad. I'm not gonna just go gamble, right? I mean, I'm better than that, but it's just tough to see this. And then we just dump. Okay, we dump all the way down. So from there, I mean, pretty much what I saw is that we have some lows right here. Okay, he has to take out these lows. So we did put in, he has to take out these lows. We put in a bullish SMT, right? I mean, at the time, right? This bullish SMT here after sweeping out also these daily lows as well. So, I mean, it looks pretty bullish to me. I wanted to see a bit of a retracement here. I saw this 5 minute fair value gap get ran through to the upside. I took it off the 5 minute inverse right here. Stopped beneath this low, take profit at these highs. And I told myself this is probably not the smartest trade because we're not going to get that much of a reversal on our notice one day. So what happened is we came down and got close to something out. We actually put in a 1 hour for value gap. This is where it was. So I just simply took my profits at the 1 hour for value gap. Not. Oh my God, bro. This isn't like a trade. It's more just break even. I mean, I won like $100. It doesn't matter. So that was the second trade of the day. Or no, that was the first trade. Once we tapped the 1 hour, I wanted to see lower prices. But it didn't really give me anything until PM session. And I came back and I saw, right, we're filling in a 1 hour for value gap, right? I mean, I took it on, I don't know where I took it. I think I took it on Q. I think it so we had these equal highs. We swept these highs up here. I waited for this 3 minutes to get ran through. I got in around right here. Okay, stop loss was at this 1 minute swing high, right here. Take profit was at this 30 minute fair value gap. And that was my day. This has really been just pissing me off, dude. Like, bro, there's no way. I had my stop loss here originally, bro. I had it right here. Okay. And I didn't really like how much I was risking, and I just moved it right here. That's bro. Oh my God, dude. This was a long time ago too, but it still pisses me off. It's crazy. It's just bro, I should have had 2 wins today. I should have 2 wins. But instead I have fucking 2 or 1 loss. It's just so stupid, dude. I'm recording this just to look back on when I'm actually in a better place. When I'm actually successful. I could have even held under these lows because I knew my bias was correct. But damn, bro, fuck. Like, this is just... Sorry for swearing. It's rough day, man. I have no motivation to journal this. I mean, I will, but that was pretty much the day, man. It's just a rough day. My horoscope school just been fucking me over. I can't trade in school. This is what I get. FOMO, I miss out, and then I trade tape a little bit worse. Like, the long was all right. It wasn't the best, but damn, why am I so red? But just really have to trust God. It's just really important. Like, just having faith that, like, no matter how hard this gets, like, I'm going to end up where I need to be. And this is the hardest thing that I've ever gone through. And it's just, I mean, no, it's not the hardest thing I've ever gone through, but it's this journey is just so difficult. Like, you think it's easy when you're like in the flow, but it's just difficult. It's straight up. Like, this is also just what makes winning better. Like, it wouldn't be amazing if I got what I wanted 5 months ago when I first got my first funded account and got payouts. It wouldn't have felt as amazing as it will when I do now, because I haven't gone through everything that I've gone through now. And I just think that these hardships is what's building me as a person, building me up, making me strong. It's making me better as a trader, as a person. It's just really putting me in the deep ends, like throwing me in the deep ends. It's what's going to build me, and it's what's going to allow me to actually push through and get to where I need to be. It's not fun. Definitely not fun. It's hard as fuck, right? That's what I signed up for, and that's what this journey is. That's basically all that's been on my mind recently. Is that this has been hard. I do sense a breakthrough. I mean, you can say that. You can say that as long, like, you can just keep saying that, even though it won't always be true. You can be like, oh, I feel like I'm at my breakthrough point, but the truth is, you're only there when you actually are. That sounds retarded, but you're only there when God sees that you're at a point in your life where you're the man who deserves those blessings. You're the guy who deserves the blessings now because you've gone through it and you deserve it. You deserve the blessings because you pray, right? You're obedient to God. You do what you need to do every single day. That's when God will see that you are the trader, you are the man, and you are the one who's ready to receive the blessings. So it might take longer than you want, but it is what it is, right? Because the timing, it really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter because you have your whole life. This journey is what makes your life. I mean, I'm talking to myself. This is what makes my life fulfilling. So I really, as long as I don't quit, my life is fulfilled. This journey is actually what brought me to God. God is what fulfilled me. It's a combination of this journey that I'm on, like the journey of life, right? That I'm getting too deep into things now, but I kind of do that sometimes. But I'll wrap it up here. I'm gonna make another video probably talking about that whole fulfillment side of things. But I appreciate you guys. For those of you who watch the videos, I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next losing trade. Yeah, I'm joking, but it probably will be. But I hope it's not. But see you guys in the next one.